I cannot. He poured the soup I served him on me. The next voice I heard was Adora's voice. Then by the time I raised my head up, I saw my husband lying there helplessly and motionless. Just like that? Just like that. Hey, what do we call this kind of thing? Hey? Hey! She should be. I'm scared.
Laura.
Igwe.
She is my only daughter. My priority should be to make her happy. She's the only one you have given to me. So it should be for us to make her happy.
That's the wrong way of making her happy. How can you support her going in between two people that have already been betrothed to each other since birth? So?
Come on, Lolo, come on. Your concern should be on how to make your daughter happy. Your daughter's happiness, not on two people who may have been betrothed for ages. No.
Ibe, making her happy shouldn't be encouraging her to do something wrong. You know that.
Something wrong?
Yes.
Oh, is it wrong now for somebody to love?
I didn't say that. But all I am saying is that you're spoiling our girl. You are spoiling our daughter. You and I know that nothing will separate those two lovebirds. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Alright, I have heard you. Please, I need some rest.
Ndonu, Chiwetel. Chiwelu. Chide no bi onaka. Nwana ndidi. Ndonu, Chiwetel. Chiwelu.
Don't hurt yourself.
No, please take it easy on yourself. Please pull yourself together.
Mazi, Your Highness, these are all yours. From me to you.
But Your Highness, why are you giving me all these gifts? I have not done anything to deserve them. Honestly, I am surprised.
Do not be surprised. Don't be. I just want you to do me a favor.
Your Highness, you know I have always been loyal to the truth. Tell me, what is it you want me to do for you?
Mazi, my daughter, the princess of this land, my only daughter, loves your son.
The blood of an innocent child.
Mother,
I've come for revenge. Allow me to everywhere.
why are you doing this to yourself?
Destruction everywhere.
Tears will not bring you back. Please, stop doing this to yourself. I beg of you.
Why would I cry? When I don't even know what killed my husband.
Mother, the gods know the best. Please, I beg of you, stop crying. You've not eaten anything since, and it's not good for your health. Let me go and get your food for you. I'm not hungry, please. This is not good. You don't want to kill me. Why are you doing this to us?
I'm not hungry.
Mother, why are you hurting us? Please, let me get you something to eat, please. Please, I don't like this thing you're doing to yourself. Please, Mother, please, now let me go and get you food. Please, 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 please.
Should I go and get you? Mother, you're not fine. You're not fine. You're not fine. Please don't go and get something to eat. Please. Please.
Papa, did your father force you to marry me?
How can you talk to your father in that manner? Obinna, some truths are said to be bitter, but the least I can do as your father is to tell you the truth at all times.
My husband, please, you people should just stop. Both of you should just stop this. Stop!
You're here watching your son insult me, right? No problems. I'll forgive him and pretend as if this never happened because of what we stand to gain when this marriage holds. But please tell him to do the right thing.
Hey, Papa, I never insulted you. All I am saying is that Papa should take all those items back to the day. Because there will never be a time I will have anything to do with that pompous princess. I will not, never, I can never do have that. I will not, I can never.
Now listen to me. You better talk to him.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, I need you, my love.
Let's take this thing easy and solve this matter amicably. Doing it by force will not solve any problems. My husband, Adora has been betrothed to our son a long time ago. Why are you doing as if you don't know the tradition of our land? This is an agreement between her mother and myself. The king only wants his daughter to marry our son for her own selfish interest. Please.
As far as I know, change is the only permanent thing in this life.
Why is this king coming between a long-lasting, established relationship?
The worst part of it is that if you say these things beside him, he will make you an enemy. Why is it that things do not go to people that miss it? Why? Well, what's my concern? Was I betrothed to any maiden? But to be honest with you, Obinna is a fool. I cannot boastfully say that Obinna is my friend. Never! I can't. I'm highly disappointed in Obinna. You're not as most disappointed as I am. Let's go, I beg.
What does the presence of exam want from us?
I want someone dead.
And who could that be?
Adora.
Princess, you know our price.
Rape her to death.
What is the problem? Why are you blocking my way? What is it? What do you want? What is it now?
How is your mother?
No, she's fine. What have I done?
I sent her to go and get me some firewood since morning. I don't know why she's not yet back. Go and, let's go and sit down somewhere.
No, she's back.
Ah. Adora, what kept you? Huh? What kept you?
But I'm sorry, they wanted to rape me.
Eh?
Oh yeah?
Which people?
Who? Where? How?
I was coming back from the farm. Suddenly, I saw one boy standing in front of me. So when I wanted to leave, he blocked my way. When I was about asking him what the problem is, another two appeared from the back. They covered my mouth with their hands and took me to the bush where they wanted to rape me. If not for the intervention of the gods, Mother.
Did they succeed? I'm just very curious.
I know, they didn't.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love.
Where are you running?
Princess. Okay.
Who is after you?
Princess. You should have told us in time that you want us to go and meet our death.
What are you talking about?
Our brother is dead. Our brother is dead.
Dead?
Our brother is dead.
I don't understand. What is happening?
That is not an ordinary case. That is not understand. He's dead. Our brother is dead. Oh, we'll go.
So you mean the three of you could not even carry out a simple job just to rape that small girl?
Rape is not ordinary. You call it just. You are calling that girl ordinary. Just see, let me tell you, that girl is who would have won for an email. I have to. I will not say what I say, but I have to leave now. I know, but I'm leaving.
No. They won't beat me this way. They can't go scot-free. No way. Yes. Obinna will pay for this. He must pay for this.
Hey. Oh. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey.
I love you so much.
What do I do?
I have only been a caring husband.
Where do I go? I'm dying for you.
Why didn't you allow me feel your body, my wife, to be? I love you, and you know that.
My heart is pounding for your love. I need you. I need you. My love.
What is the problem? What is eating you up, Obin?
Arinze, how long have you been standing here?
Long enough to hear everything I've been saying.
There's no problem.
Obin, I'm your brother. You can't be in this mood and tell me that there's no problem. Obinna, talk to me.
Hey, Obinna, I pray that the gods bring us together. I pray that the gods bring us together.
Mother. Obinna loves you so much, and I'm sure he wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
Mother, I know all that.
He's a man, and very soon both of you will get married. And by the grace of the gods, you'll start raising your own family.
Mother, why are you saying all this?
Adora, I am not new to this earth. I know when two people who are in love share glances.
But I don't understand.
Don't worry. You'll understand this very soon.
Mother,
I'm so proud of you.
thank you, Mother. I love you so much.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding.
Why are you crying?
For your love.
Mother, Tomina wanted to rape me.
What? Obinna did what?
But thank the God who saved me from his wicked intentions.
Princess, are you sure of what you have just said?
Mother, look at me.
So Obinna wanted to rape you, that fool! Guards!
Your Highness.
Go and get me that Obinna here immediately.
Yes,
Go to him here now! Quickly!
I'm praying for your love, hey, Obinna. I pray that the gods bring us together. I pray that the gods bring us together.
And why does the king want to see me?
Till you get to the palace.
Move! Don't push me.
If you don't move now, I'll move you. Rapist.
What did you call me?
Till you get to the palace.
Move! Papa!
Where are they taking Obinna to? They're taking him to the palace. They said Obinna raped someone.
Obinna raped someone?
You heard me?
No. It must be somebody that looks like him. No. Obinna.
I am more, hey, Obinna. If I am more, hey, Obinna. I'm crying for you. Please come to me.
Your Highness. Your Highness, why am I being dragged to the palace like a common thief?
You do not know? So the food served you free, which you rejected, is what you have decided to steal now. Eh?
Your Highness, what is going on?
You wanted to rape my daughter. My jewel, my only source of joy, you wanted to rape her?
No, Your Highness, there must be a mix-up somewhere. I don't understand what you're saying.
What don't you understand? What don't you understand? Rapists like you.
Did you hear that? Guards!
Your Highness!
Take him to the garden and teach him the lesson of his life.
Your Highness!
Take him away! It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Stop crying. Just keep and freshen up. Okay? Sorry. Go.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, hey, open up. If I am wrong, hey, open up. I'm crying for you. Please come to me. I'm crying for you.
This low life of a girl. Where do you think you're going?
I pray that the girls bring her.
Have you forgotten the customs of this land? Don't you know you're not supposed to go to the stream when the princess is there? What is your problem? Tell me, what is your problem? There's a specific time for the princess to go to the stream and have a bath. And that time is over. I am going to have my bath and fetch some water. Don't you dare walk out with me. You there! You have the guts to hold my hand? You think you're smart?
You know our price.
Rape her to death.
You told us in time that you want us to go and meet our death.
What are you talking about?
Our brother is dead. Our brother is dead.
Dead?
Our brother is dead.
I don't understand. What is happening? Yes, Obina will pay for this. He must pay for this. So you followed me? Make sure nothing happens to him. What if something happens to him? You are an experienced man. You're still a low life. You can't do anything, okay? My prince.
I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, hey, open up, hey. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, hey, open up. If I am wrong, hey.
Mama.
What is it? Why are you looking like this?
Mama, two guys came from the palace and said that Dikeh wants to see Obinna.
Again?
Again! It's bothering me because since then I've not seen him.
Hey! What are we waiting for? Let's go to the palace. Come, let's go to the palace.
Stop there!
I want to see my son.
The Igwe does not wish to see your presence in the palace. Why? Yes. Leave now.
I want to see my son.
No. Leave now.
Leave! My brother is here!
I want to see my son. I want to see my son.
Stop it! Your Highness!
My queen.
Your Highness.
Yes?
This is the order from the king.
So? My queen.
Kiro.
I came back from the market. My son told me that some guys came and took away my senior son, Obinna, and that they brought him to the palace. And since then, he has not returned. I know Obinna very well, I can swear. My son can never do such a thing.
And he did not do it. I know he did not do it. Pray that the gods will aid him.
He said,
help him.
He said,
why would the princess think of a thing like that?
My fear is that the custom of the land states that anybody caught in this act shall be buried alive.
Hey!
And you're an exception to it.
My queen, my son is innocent.
I know.
My son is innocent.
Kira, I know. I know he's innocent. But what can we do?
My son is innocent.
Think of it. I think Obinna is innocent of the allegation.
My dear, you never can tell. You know the princess is so pretty that any man that sees her will want to have his way into her.
My instinct tells me that he is innocent.
I don't know. All I know that serves him right. Who I pity is the wife to be Adora.
So, she'll just lose him like that.
From the first I met Obinna, I knew he was something else.
Just keep your mouth shut. Don't say what you're not sure of.
Please, let's go and feed our eyes at this house.
Temper justice with mercy. Thank you.
My son, I will never forgive you. We're talking about our son, yeah, our first son, and look at how you're handling this situation.
So what do you want me to do? Die with him? A rapist?
You call your own son a rapist?
Of course he is a rapist.
That means you're the father of a rapist. Never forget that.
Papa, you know Obinna too well. You know you cannot do such a thing.
Oh, shut up. What do you know? Now listen to me. Being sentimental over this matter will not make any difference. Let him go and prove his innocence. And I think the only reason why two of you are talking here is because you have no shame. Oh yes, if you do, you won't be talking here.
All I know is that my son is innocent.
No, Obinna is not a rapist. Obinna is not a rapist.
Would you shut up?
Obinna. I'm crying for you.
My brother, he's so amazing.
Come to me.
So, Obinna will just die. Just like that!
A princess that loves to give away her pride to him, just in a platter of gold. How could he be so foolish going to steal it from her?
I'm disappointed in him. I'm disappointed in Obinna.
Anyway, let's be fast and go to the palace and see what the Igwe's final judgment will be. Let's go.
Fool thought it wise to think he could rape my only daughter, the princess of the As we all know, the custom and tradition of this place states that anyone who tries to rape a maiden here shall be stoned to death or buried alive.
Yes! He must die!
I did not make the rule. My ancestors did. Therefore, by the way, where is the princess?
I never knew to get to this. What do I do now? I love him. I really love him. Father should know that he's about to kill the only man I want to spend the rest of my life with. What of our land?
She should be somewhere resting because the pains are much. Guards!
Your Highness,
take him away and bury him alive.
My son is innocent! My son-in-law is innocent. Everybody knows he cannot do such a thing. Please.
Keep quiet, woman. Do not forget that women have no say when it comes to the tradition and custom of this land. Otherwise, I will call for your heads and I'll have them.
I never knew to get to this. What do I do now? I love him. I really love him. Father should know that he's about to kill the only man I want to spend the rest of my life with. What of our land?
Is that why you lied against an innocent man?
What are you doing? How did you get here?
Give him to me peacefully.
You foolish low life. How dare you command the servants of the royal household? Stay clear!
I said, give him to me peacefully.
Get out of our way!
I won't.
Please.
Don't move an inch.
Please.
Now listen. Run like a goat out of this place and go and tell them what you've seen. Run!
What is after you? Who is pursuing you?
Your Highness, my mouth cannot speak what my eyes saw.
What is it that your eyes saw, your mouth cannot speak? Where are the other guards? Where are they?
They are dead. They are dead, Your Highness.
They are what?
They are dead.
Dead?
Yes, Your Highness.
What do you mean they are dead?
That is something nobody on earth will wish to experience, Your Highness.
Who killed them?
Adora, Your Highness.
Leave me alone. I don't know where she is.
If you don't produce her,
then you are going to the palace with us.
I do not know where she is. Leave me alone.
You must go with us, or you provide her.
Move! Let her be. She's not going anywhere.
She must go with us.
I said she is not going anywhere.
She must go with us. Move her! Move!
Don't touch me.
Don't have to.
Immediately.
Relax. We're here for good now.
Where is that going to be? Look, this place is very dangerous. Something bad might happen to us.
Relax. I'll be back. Let me go and get you water. Excuse me.
out of my way. I have come in peace. I am sent by the gods of the earth. Gods of the earth, come to my aid.
You! Guards! Yes! Arrest her!
Have you asked yourself how you became the king of this land?
I cannot be alive and watch Emenike, the son of that witch, be the next king of Ezara. Mbano, Omane. Not when I'm still alive. It cannot happen. Mbano.
I have told you that you know the best thing to do. What you need to do is make him not to live on this earth again.
I can use a thing like that. If I do, you know the point I didn't think at me.
You know that there are many ways to kill a bird. It's very simple.
The both of you should go back. I wish to go alone.
But my prince, the king is not.
And I said I want to go alone.
Alright, my prince.
Better.
Sorry.
What? Take your hands off! What is going on?
What is going on?
You want to rape me?
Rape you?
Rape you?
Rape you? Will you take your hands off me? Take your hands off me!
You must reach palace.
Take your hands off me! I never rape you, woman! What is your problem? Me rape you!
You must reach palace! You must reach palace! You must die!
Father, you have to believe me, honestly. I'm innocent. I never did it. Father, you have to believe me. You have to believe me. I never raped this woman. Believe me, I never did it, honestly. Father, this is a setup.
How could you bring this shame to me? Father, you have to believe me. I swear by the soil of this land, I'm innocent, Father.
Woman, I'm disappointed. So this is the reason why you refuse the guard from following you.
Father, I swear by the soil of this land, I never raped this woman. I never did, Father.
And you, woman, is this how you intend ruling this land?
Your son is innocent.
I'm disappointed at you. Is this how you intend ruling this land?
You have to believe me. I never raped this woman. You have to believe me. I never raped this woman. Father, you just have to believe me. I never raped this woman. I never did.
God! Take him and bury him alive.
Bury him alive. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
An innocent blood was shed, and the same thing almost happened to Obinna today because of your daughter's selfish interest.
How did you come to know all this? How?
It is not your business. The sins of the forefathers must be inherited by their new generation.
It to end this way. Oh, nature must take its place. Yes.
My love, I don't understand. What are you talking about? Huh?
Obi, I love you so much. I love you.
I know. Okay. You look so weak, okay? I think you need a cold bath. Let me take you to the stream too. Go back.
Dikeh must be given a befitting burial.
daughter will live. She's alive.
Where am I?
Go to the palace. Your destiny awaits you.
Who are you?
That shouldn't be a priority now. Go!
I don't know what came over him. It is well. Only the gods know why it happened.
What of Adora?
That one I cannot tell.
Nami!
Who is after you?
I saw Obinna.
Obinna! Where?
Running towards the palace direction.
Was he with my daughter?
No.
Hey!
It was only him.
Huh? Huh?
They are both meant for each other.
My son! My son! Oh, thank God my son is alive.
Adora! Adora has come back to where she belongs. You were used to bring peace and harmony into Eziani, but you shall be rewarded. What gods? You shall be rewarded.
What do I do? Where do I go? I'm dying for you, hey, for your love. My heart is pounding for your love. I need you, my love. If I am wrong, hey, open up. If I am wrong, hey, open up. I'm crying for you. Please come to me.